If you are a working professional, you would be used to hearing about KPIs and measures all the time. And of course, we all sort of already know. But if someone asked you if you could explain the difference between them, would you be able to? Let's try it here. KPI or Key Performance Indicator. The simplest way to understand is to look at it as three different words. Firstly, key, which means important or what matters. Don't worry about it being important from a strategic perspective or operational. That's what most people get confused about when they read that it depends on the level. Not really. A KPI can be strategical, tactical, operational, or even for efficiency. It can belong to the corporate level or departmental, and even employees have their own KPIs. Just remember the key word, which is key. So, how do you decide what's key? Chances are your organization already has those listed out for you along with the way to calculate it and its owners or people responsible for managing it. If you don't have it in place, then it's time to start. Second word is performance. Now these indicators should reflect on the performance in some way, whether overall performance of the organization, department, or the project or individual. An indicator can be a performance indicator only if you can manage or control it and it truly reflects on performance. If it's not linked to performance, but you just want to know, it's not really a KPI. Indicator. Well, an indicator is an indicator. It indicates, it tells you a story, it tells you something. For KPI, it tells you about performance, which is important to measure. Now let's look at some simple KPIs. Percentage increase in sales, average new customers acquired this quarter, percentage of manpower plan achieved, expense revenue ratios, etc. Usually they are expressed in percentages or ratios and are relative to something. When you say they are important, think, compared to what? They are also linked to business objectives and targets. Actually, they should. It is recommended that they are not really shown in absolute numbers. When they are, then they become simple measures. So you must have already got the concept, right? Measures are the numbers or values that can be summed up or averaged, such as sales, time, duration, temperature, etc. But compared to KPIs, they are highly broad-based and cover a range of things, while KPIs are more specific and target-oriented. Also remember, KPIs show a deeper and more important level of performance, while measures cover a really long list. Let's try to elaborate through an example. Suppose you work in a customer service center trying to resolve complaints. Your measure is complaint resolution time. The metric or unit of measure would be hours. Now your actual average result is 2.5 hours. Management thinks complaints should be resolved within 2 hours. Since this is important and your department's performance will be measured against it, it should be ideally converted into a KPI. So your KPI would be percentage of complaints resolved within 2 hours. The target is 90% as agreed, which means that if you get 100 complaints, 90 should be resolved within 2 hours. So do you see the difference? When it is just being measured in time, it was a measure. Now you want to see the bigger picture, so it is a KPI. Now let's look at another example. When you are driving your car, you will see a number of indicators on your dashboard, such as speed, AC temperature, fuel level, oil temperature, tire pressure. Now for you, your KPIs should be related to your speed limit, as it could be dangerous or you could get a fine if you don't maintain it. Rest are simple measures. Got it? Great. It is highly recommended that these KPIs and measures become an integral part of the organizational culture. Well, maybe the terms already are, but unfortunately people don't really know how they reflect on the performance and how their own performance somehow impacts a given KPI. The solution lies only in meaningful communication, education, and a robust IT or business intelligence system in place to support those KPIs. Takeaway for today: what is KPI and what is measure depends upon the context, and as usual, there are no hard and fast rules. Sometimes a KPI can be an absolute number too, and a measure can be in ratios and percentages. Still remember, KPI deep, measure wide.